Bistecca Fiorentina. What you see here is a porterhouse, olive oil, rosemary. We are prepping our charcoal. It is now evenly heated, and we're just evening the heat in the grill. It's just a small grill, but it is definitely enough. Now we are putting some fresh rosemary on the coals so they can smoke and add a magnificent flavor to our steak. And here we are. The steak is on. Oh, if you could just smell this, it smells amazing. Just amazing. The smoke from the coals and the rosemary is infusing the steak in a very tasty and unique way. We've added some rosemary on top. And now we're flipping the steak over.
And so what this is going to do is go into the fire again to continue to season this with. Actually, let me put it on over here onto those hot coals. And then now that that's flipped, we'll kick it like this here, ready for that white.
It's salted here. And here we use some kosher coarse salt. So as the salt, as this coarse salt melts into the steak, it creates a sort of crust layer that just adds to the deliciousness of the steak. Look, I'm going to get closer so you can see. You can already tell that it's melting on one side more than the other, but you see? Now the fat is dripping, causing more smoke to rise up and give the steak a unique charcoal flavor.
No. In fact, it will now receive its coating in the air. Per the recipe, authentica sort, right? Alright, I'm gonna let that be there for a second, still over the heat. And then now we're actually gonna turn that onto the sides.
So at least, what, an inch?
I would say,
two?
Yeah, about 2 inches. That's 2 inches. Because it got to stand now, yeah. Like that's what it's going to do now after I hit that one there. Yeah. This next flip is actually a solo dolo, where it remains like that. And it's going to sit like that for probably 10 minutes now.
10 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
The steak is pretty much ready and is now time to plate it. Don't use a paper plate, otherwise the juices will get lost in the plate. Next up is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Do not be shy. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Got some rosemary on top. Now you see there are two sides, the sirloin side and the filet mignon side. This one was cooked medium because of the kids, but you can cook it however you like. Buon appetito!